Yo, what is up, guys? Today is not moto vlog day. Today is the day that I have been waiting for a very long time. I said that last video, but today is actually the day I've been waiting for a long time. If you take a peek over here behind me, you can see today is wheel and tire day. Now, I haven't even seen them. Obviously, I know what I ordered, but I have not seen them in person yet. So we're gonna open these up and see them in person for the first time. Hopefully they fit, hopefully they look good. So let's get to unboxing these. All right, boys, we got the knife, we got the wheel down here. It is time. Backwards hat means serious time. Here we go. Whoops. Almost just cut right into that. Here we go. Okay, so they're upside down, so I'm gonna have to fix them, but you ready to look at the color? Uh-oh, here we go. Let me get it out. Let me get them out. Try to not pop my tire with this ungodly sharp knife. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Holy shit. Those are gonna look amazing. Oh my gosh. They look so good. Oh, those look so good. I'm so happy with those. Let's get the rest of them unboxed and put on the car. I'm gonna unbox this one because these are where my lug nuts are. I got black lug nuts. Hopefully it goes together. So let's see if we can get my lug nuts. This knife is very sharp. Ooh, that is like butter. Look, it even has my name on it. These are lug nuts. Well, what's in this package? Oh, the center caps. So that's what the center caps look like. All right. Extremely urgent. These took forever to get here. Uh-oh. Before you drive. Okay, let me read over these. Damn, that's a lot of shit to do that I'll do, maybe. Oh, I got Fitment Industry decals. Probably not going on my car, but I appreciate it. Here we go. Ooh, those don't look bad, eh? All right, let's install them. All right, hat's gotta come off for this part because I gotta find out where I can jack up from. God damn, these lug nuts are on tight. Jesus Christ. Look, the wheel scratched my thing. Jesus Christ. Now listen, I'm not using jack stands. Sorry, kill me in the comments. I'm only gonna be here for 30 seconds. If it falls, it is a Harbor Freight jack, so it concerns me a little bit, but listen, we only need to be here for a quick little second, so let's get it done quickly, okay? Let me just give it one more pump. There, we'll take this out for precaution. Here we go. So I literally just bought this tire a couple days ago because this is the one that blew. That's why I'm doing it first, because that shop stole my, I didn't steal, I forgot it, Mazda cap for this. So it is what it is, but new tire time. Here we go. And it looks like she clears everything. Okay, lug nut time. Listen. Now listen, I do have a torque wrench. It's in the trunk. I'll torque them down, I promise. Here we go. All right, let's see if she comes down. Look at that. Oh my God, they stick out way further than the other ones did, huh?
Oh yeah.
Holy, oh my Lord. Look how far these ones stick out. Can you, can you see that? Those look so good, boys. Oops. Oh. I feel like Guido right now. Beat stop. Beat stop. I forgot to jack up the car. Oh shit.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, I hope that doesn't fall on my face. Uh-oh, oh shit. I forgot to jack up the car. All right, Harbor Freight Jack, don't let me down. Beat stop. Fuck. Oh gosh. All right, boys. Oh God. I almost slipped a disc. There we are. Boom. Let's go, boys. Oh my goodness. Holy shit. Those look so good. Like I said, I will torque it when it's on the ground, off camera. Shut up. Don't even comment it. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Wow. Look at the other side. I mean, that is a night and day difference, dude. Onto this side, boys. Let's get her done. Holy Christ, dude. These things are glued. Damn it. I am terrible. Put the Mods cap back on. Shit. Knowing Mazda, this thing's fucking $800. That bitch is heavy as hell. And these wheels are kind of dirty. What's up with that, Fitment Industries? Why you got me dirty ass wheels? One to go. Numero uno, boys. Whoops. It's a little bit tighter up front. I wonder why it's different on either side. See, for all you fuckers that don't believe me, here's my torque wrench. I did it to all of them, I promise. Don't comment about it, shut up. Last step, the caps, boys, here we go. She is complete, boys. Let's go take some pictures and show you some video before the sun goes down. All right, boys, so we don't unfortunately have much sunlight left. You can see the sun going down literally right behind me, but this is what she looks like, boys, in all of her glory. We'll do a full walk around. I'm really happy how it's coming out so far. Everything clears, nothing rubs. That's full lock and nothing. It gets close. It's close, but it doesn't rub. I am so happy with this. So I'm not doing it today. I'm actually doing it on a different day. But the next thing to do in this video is the steering wheel. So let's do a steering wheel. All right, boys. Today is the day, boys. A couple days later than the last clip. Today's steering wheel day. There it is. I've got all my tools, disconnected the battery. I've already been pumping the brakes and clicking the buttons just to clear out any electricity left because I don't want this guy exploding in my face, okay? So let's do a steering wheel. All right, boys. First step, getting these 10 mil bolts out. There's 4. Boom. Boom. Now listen, this isn't a tutorial because I've never done this shit, but we're gonna do it together. If I fuck up, oh well. Magnetic tray. Oh, I hit my hip so hard. Oh God, ow. This car is not big. You know, I wish I could see better. All right, car, you're going in reverse. 2 more. Make it easy for me. It's not, ow, bitch. Ow. They're all out. Now let's straighten the wheel. All right, boys. This is where we don't sit in front of it and we take it out. Here we go. Somebody's already been in here. That string is already cut. There's a string right here. It's already been cut. All right, let's get this thing disconnected. Don't know if I should put it right over my nutsack. There it is, boys. She's out. Scary part is over. Now it's time to take this big nut off and then get the die kit ready to go. Here we go. Let's start getting all this wiring together. That is what we're after, boys. Pop this off the hub. There we go. Boom. That's the piece we're after. Let's make sure this is as straight as we can get it. And I'm pretty sure it is. That is dead straight right there. Now we're going to leave that on because obviously that does not want to come off because it has been on there for, 30 years. Here we go. Oh no! Are you guys okay? Did you take a fall? Sorry. Listen, I have nowhere to put you guys. I've tried. I have nowhere to put you guys. I'm just gonna basically bang on this wheel, and then I'll bring you back. All right, boys. It only took a couple hits, and she's no. Ah! I might have to go get a bigger tripod. All right, boys, wheel's coming off. It's loose. You're on a big tripod. See how loosey-goosey she is? Boom, put that somewhere safe and get this nasty 30-year-old shit out of here, boys. Hub. Now we take that nut and put it back on. Plug time. We're gonna do airbag first. Horn. Boom. Cover time. Wheel time. This is a tedious ass process. All right, let's tighten them down. All right, so that's kind of like a first look at what it's gonna look like. That is, oh, that feels so much better. Now we gotta get this nut tightened since I can actually hold the wheel now. All right, so I've looked, most people on YouTube are saying 38, so we're gonna do 38 foot-pounds. Oh, holy shit, boys. We are almost there. We are almost there. The last piece, the horn. All right, let's go plug that battery back in and see if the horn works. All right, battery's plugged in. Here we go, boys. Yes, yes. All right, let's push this bitch in. Just like that, boys. Oh, yes. All right, let's get all my tools cleaned up and into this video. All right, boys, so it's first drive time. I haven't driven this anywhere. I got my girlfriend to help me film, so we're gonna do a first drive right now. Now listen, I'm just gonna get it out of the way. For all the motherfuckers that are gonna be like, why would you take an airbag out of your car, a safety feature? Shut the fuck up. I ride a motorcycle at 180 miles an hour. An airbag's not gonna save me then. Listen, I don't care. I'll run the risk. I don't care. I'm gonna run the risk. It is what it is. All right, boys. First drive. Here we go. Oh, here we go. Make sure the wheels turn. Yep, the wheels. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, that is so much smaller. Oh my gosh, it almost feels like snappier. Oh, it is so nice not to have that ugly ass wheel. What an improvement, boys. Oh my Lord. All right, we're gonna go, oh yeah, my blinkers are really far away. I forgot about that. All right, here we go. Here we go, boys. Oh my gosh. Oh my Lord.
Holy shit.
Holy shit, that is such a big difference. All right, boys, I'm gonna get ready to film an outro, so I'll see you when I'm filming the outro. All right, boys, I hope you enjoyed this video, putting both wheels. I mean, I'm just gonna tie the wheels because that's technically a wheel and these are technically wheels. I hope you like the way that the car looks. I hope you like the way that I'm modding it out. It's been a lot of fun, man. It's been a lot of fun to film these videos. It's been stressful at times, but let me know what else I should do to the car because I've got a few more plans, but the main things that I wanted to get done are definitely done. I'll give you one more look at it. I know the sun's back there and it's like the worst case scenario, but there she is, the wheel right in there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You already know the drill. Let me know in the comments what else I should do. As always, if you enjoyed, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment, share with a friend, and I will see you in the next one. Later.